and the Stork. Once upon a time there was a fox known for his cunning and his somewhat heavy jokes. One day, the fox decided to invite his friend, the Stork, to dinner at his house. The Stork, grateful for the invitation, gladly accepted and arrived punctually that night. The Stork, grateful for the invitation, gladly accepted and arrived punctually that night. I hope you enjoy my culinary specialty, said the fox with a mischievous glint in his eyes. Soon, the fox brought the food, a delicious soup served on flat plates. The Stork looked at the plate curiously and began to try it. But no matter how hard he tried, his long, narrow beak did not allow him to pick up the soup. Meanwhile, the fox licked his soup quickly and enjoyed it without any problems. Noticing his friend's difficulty, the fox couldn't help but laugh. "You don't like my soup?" he asked, feigning innocence. The Stork, although upset, maintained its composure and answered kindly, "It's a delicious soup, but it seems like it's not for me." That night, the Stork went home with an empty stomach but with an idea in mind. A few days later, the Stork decided to invite the fox to dinner at his house. "It will be a pleasure to welcome you into my home," she said with a smile. The fox, excited by the invitation, immediately accepted. When night came, the fox showed up punctually and was warmly welcomed by the Stork. The Stork led him to the dining room, where everything was elegantly prepared. "I hope you enjoy my specialty," said the Stork as he placed the food on the table. Dinner was served in tall, narrow vases, ideal for his long beak. The Stork began to enjoy the food, taking small bites with ease. But the fox, with his wide snout, could not reach the food inside the vase. He tried every possible way, but it was useless. Now it was the fox's turn to stare and accept that he couldn't eat. The Stork looked at him and, in a kind tone, said, "I hope you like my food." The fox realized the lesson the Stork was teaching him. "I realized that I was unfair to you that night," said the fox, ashamed. The Stork smiled and replied, "Don't worry, everyone learns in their own way." From then on, the fox became more considerate of others and stopped playing practical jokes. And so, both friends learned to respect differences and live together in harmony. Please support us by liking and subscribing. It's free.